Hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI website using Hostinger. So I'm going to show you all the process step by step how you can create a website using AI with Hostinger. So first of all, you have to log into your account. So I already logged into my account. Now from here, we have to actually go for the section called website. In the left side, you will find website section. Now you can see premium option we have here. Now we'll click here, add website. And here you can see we have different option here: WordPress, then Hostinger, Horizon, okay, then Hostinger website builder. So this one we actually select, okay, Hostinger website builder, AI powered drag and drop website builder. So click here. Now we have to describe our website, okay, about our website, what kind of website actually we want here. So we have here some option you can see. Now let's say I want a video agency website, okay, video editor agency website, let's say. So video editing agency, sorry. So here we are going to mention here what we need, but I would suggest you to go with a chatbot like ChatGPT or any other chatbot to generate a prompt basically, because a professional prompt can create a professional site for you. If you give a random data, the site will not be that much professional. Okay? So let's just go with ChatGPT or any other chatbot. Let's say go with ChatGPT.com. So here you have to ask for a prompt. So I will mention here that I want to generate a website for my business using Hostinger AI. So I need a prompt. My name is Tanvi, and my agency name is WebTech Videography, let's say, or I can say here Webgraphy, let's say, and this is a video editing agency. My favorite color is yellow, so I need a combination yellow color so that my site looks cool. Now give me a prompt so that I can generate cool Hostinger. Now hit enter, then it will actually give you a prompt. Now you can give here more information according to your needs. And then here you can see this is a professional prompt. Now we are going to copy from here, okay. Here you can see we have a hero section, about us section, then service section, then why choose us, then portfolio section we have, then pricing, then contact section. So all are here. Now I'm going to actually copy this, okay. So copy this from here to here, copy this and go back to the Hostinger AI, and here we are going to paste it. Now I'm going to click here this arrow sign, up arrow sign, or maybe you can hit enter, okay. So click here, then here you can see generating AI services. So we just wait for some times. So here we got website here, you can see, and we have a nice animation here. You can see if I now refresh once again, let's say I want to refresh the site. Here you can see there is a little animation here. So we have here all the options. Now let's go for the about us section. Here you can see this is the about section. We have a nice footer also with some little information about the contact information, and then we have a text field here for the email. Okay, all right. So now let's go for the service section. Let's check it. There we go. Now, if you want to change anything, you can change it also by drag and drop it. But let's just check all the things. Okay. Then we have here portfolio also, and then why choose us, and then testimonials and pricing section we have. Okay. All right. And then contact section. So everything is perfect here. Now let's just check it for mobile friendly. If it is mobile friendly or not. Here you can see this is also responsive. There we go. Wow, awesome. So now let's say I want to here you can see we have in the right side we have an option here, edit idea. So you can actually mention here more things, like if you don't like anything here, just mention here, okay, and then regenerate it, okay. So that's it. I'm okay with it for the tutorial purpose, so I'm going to continue here, okay. So click here, continue. There we go. Now you can add here extra elements. Let's say some portion you don't actually want to keep here, okay. So you can actually delete it from there. You can see delete it, or maybe you can drag and drop any other element if you want here. You can see like WordPress CMS, right? So yes, we have here other options, and we can add page also. Here you can see we can add here more page by clicking here add page. Then we have AI writer also. We can write through AI. We can generate emails through AI. Here you can see all the options. So I'm not going to actually go through this because these will be time killing. The video will be very long. So it's up to you. You have to actually go through these. We have SEO section. Now you can see these are the improvement we should do here. You can see improvement found to our homepage. So click here, and here you can see should not be empty. Okay, fine. And the list, meta description length should be 156 characters. So you will get some SEO suggestion also for your site. So I'm okay with it for the tutorial purpose. And here we go. Now, as I mentioned, you can add here more option also. So it's up to you. And these are the links. You can add links maybe. Yes, you can see social icon also with the link. Okay. All right. You just have to mention here your link. This is the default one. You just have to mention your username here after this .com. Okay. That's it. Let's say my name. Let's say Tanvir. So I will say Tanvir, and that's this is my username. So basically, this is not my username, but for the tutorial purpose, actually, I have to give here. That's it. So you just have to add your username and then give here tick mark. Then it will be added. Okay, automatically. And then now you can actually connect your domain through it. So let's connect through the domain. Now I'll click here change domain. So from here we are going to actually give our domain. So to check what is our domain, let's go back to the home hosting here, and here we have our domain unipixel.org. So this is our domain. Okay. So I am going to give here this domain unipixel.org. This is our domain. Okay. Domain connected to the site. So click here and then go for the next. Check it, confirm. Domain was connected. So click here, continue. Domain added to your site. Okay, fine. Then click here, continue. Okay, here we go. Now we can go live by clicking here, go live. You can see publishing. There you can see a nice video animation, right? We have to wait for some rest maybe. There we go. Now we have, we have added the domain, right? So click here, visit site. To visit the site, domain is not connected to your website. So this is the problem. So connect the domain. Okay, so connect domain automatically. If you click connect, the system will change your name server to this one. It might take up to 24 hours for the domain to start working properly. So it will take some time. So we have to wait for this. But for now, here you can see this is our site. So basically, it will edit the domain within 24 hours. But for now, we can actually check the website. Here you can see this is our website and it's fully working. And yes, every section working perfectly now. All right. So guys, I hope you understand. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.